Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Community Connect. Last week, for the first part of our October segment, we spoke to Ryan Ross, our Planning Division Manager, on a brief overview of what the Planning Division does at the Department of Waste Resources. And this week, we want to dig a little deeper into the business part of that. So we're joined by Ryan once more. And Ryan, the theme for this one is construction and demolition. Basically, for businesses, they have some regulations they have to adhere to and some forms they have to complete. And the Planning Division is here to help those businesses along with that process. So let's talk a little bit about it.
Sure, no problem. So the department is responsible for implementing the county's construction and demolition program. And what that means is for any project in the county that needs to have a building permit, we require that that project recycle at least 65% of all their construction and demolition waste. And so what happens is when an applicant's ready to pull a permit, they come to the planning section here and they fill out what's called a Form B, and that just identifies their plan. How are they going to recycle that 65% of their waste? Once they've submitted their plan to my planning staff, they review it and we clear the condition for their project. When they're ready to get their final, they come back in and they complete what's called a Form C. Now, Form C simply just provides verification that the project actually met the 65% diversion rate. So the applicant will fill out the form, they'll provide the receipts that demonstrate recycling. We take a look at it, we review it, we approve it, and they're on their way.
All right, Ryan Ross joining us once again to give us some great answers, this time specifically about business planning for businesses in Riverside County. Join us next week. We're going to wrap up our conversation with Ryan on a really fun topic. We're going to be discussing the ways that the Planning Division helps protect a threatened species out in Blythe at our Blythe landfill. So please join us next week for that one.